Hey, Nick! Oh, come on! Come on in! You know, that's a great mask. We hug. We're not worried. You got Lamprey going in here. We're doing great. Oh, thank you. And I'm Annabelle. Welcome.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome. And you are
Kathy.
Kathy. How nice to have you here. Now, well, they start at 50, but see, it looks like a perfume bottle. We got all kinds of styles, and you got different fragrances. And you can have a neutral, but they were invented to kill MRSA in hospitals, so that's how potent they are. Okay. And by the way, Mom, no dancing. Not till we get that sticker. And it's up to you to wear your mask. You know, if your blues are like this, but again, you're talking blues. So this creates a whole story for you that you need to slide that chair so it doesn't stay within the confines of an area. But look at this, and look at this rug.
On my chair.
Yeah, and look at this rug.
I love this rug.
Yeah, so.
I'll die, but I have a lamp. Hey, you're carrying me out.
You've got a hand grip right here. You've got a flashlight. I can blind you with the flashlight. Very bright. Very good. And again, it's lithium battery. This is 800,000 volts. Now I've got a one step to the light, and I've got a second step to the red light. That means it's prime. Come on back. All right, I'm going to squeeze right through here.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
Is that not glorious? And look at that. USA on one side, you got the flag on the other. These are gorgeous, and he signed it personally. And then we have without any of the embossing, because it's the presidential seal. This one has the Trump embossed there.
Thank you. I don't know where to start. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty, Annabelle.
Oh, thank you.
I love the lights.
You guys have a great day. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Great weekend.
Y'all find some good things here?
Oh gosh, yeah.
That says it all.
How did you sneak in without me seeing you? You just walked right in.
Let me ask you a
What
question.
happened?
Yeah.
Treasure.
We did.
Good.
Found all your treasure.
We did.
What was your favorite room?
Thank you so much.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. I like the rooms back this way.
And you guys heard of the open house here?
My aunt, she lives down here. We're visiting from Virginia.
I thought you were one of his sisters.
Oh, yeah, right. Well, I have moments of not being able to think, that's for sure, where the cloud passes over.
So what was your favorite room in the store today?
The black and white.
I see the dots. Very cute. Very cute.
Almost look like it.
Thanks for coming.
We would have been twins. Sisters, yeah. With different
Are you
mothers.
all sisters?
No. Yeah, don't you look alike?
You might as well be. Yeah, you never
We hang out so much.
There you go. All good. I'm building a house.
Oh.
I've been working a little bit with Annabelle, and so I'm just trying to figure out, really, it's too early.
Let me go see Father.
Yep.
Father, where are you?
I'm here.
Glad you came. Thank you. Don't you look stunning? Here. Oh, thank you all. Thank you all for being here. Oh, what a gift! What a gift! Oh, we had to make it. I love it. Thank you for your comments on Facebook. Oh, that was good. Yeah.
We shared it with everybody.
Wait till you see all of our new stuff.
Oh, we're excited.
Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all.
All right. Start the.
How
They were here, and they just texted me, and I said, I'm on the way now.
Did they enjoy themselves?
Oh yeah, they said we didn't announce ourselves because Annabelle was busy, but tell her we came by.
They had a sweet young
Yeah, so, oh yeah, we're honored to have her.
First when I'd move it around my house.
Right.
Now I'm big time. I have.
Yeah, how many?
But you have so many different fragrances. You have those that really are kitchen, like green apple and sweet pear, orange cinnamon, even creme brulee. And then you have, see, here's a different fragrance. Next, this is a woodsman fragrance. Oriental Star. Oriental Star. It's masculine. And we got it in the gray, the clear.
Yeah,
You know, it's just very clean looking. Yeah, it's very clean looking.
that was my first choice until I saw this shelf.
Yeah, and that is beautiful though. I love that lamp. I think it's gorgeous. That is no, they're gonna flock to you. This is dry ice. It's dry. It's a dry ice powder, so it cools down your body. So let's say you're out playing golf. Let's say you're out shooting. You're out doing anything. Your body you just spray yourself. This just takes down your stress and brings it. It's wonderful. And just in case that's not, I can blind you with the flashlight. But at night, you're out walking. You're going to the car from a parking lot or whatever, and you've got that. But I take it a second step. Once that red light comes on, I'm primed. I'm ready. But this is your grip, so that makes it really nice. My index finger is right on the trigger. So when I get ready, and just the sound is going to send somebody anyway. But again, feel this. Wrap it around you. See how it's so. I went over there.
I drove home late last night just so that I could be here today.
There you go. Okay.
Give me such a gift. Oh, you go put it back in the basket.
Yep. We'll give you that one. Thank you.
Strong.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to sign these this morning.
Oh, that's awesome.
We win. And I know he would too.
But even this feels. I know it's a nice weight. Yeah. So and because we don't know whether we're making or keeping, we've got
I have a
both.
couple.
And so we're doing both. Okay. No. Thanks, y'all. Go meet Mike and Beth and everybody. I'll hang you in a second. You did not video me
No,
talking
no.
to the reef.